Welcome to the Bluegrass State. We're about to take you on an incredible journey through some of the most beautiful state parks in the country. Whether you're a seasoned outdoor adventurer or just looking for a relaxing weekend getaway, Kentucky's state parks have got you covered. With rolling hills, lush forests, dramatic waterfalls, and pristine lakes, there's something for everyone here. So without further ado, let's dive into the 10 state parks we'll be exploring in this video. Trust us, you won't want to miss a single one. 10. Big Bone Lick State Park. Are you looking for a unique adventure? Then you've got to check out Big Bone Lick State Park in Kentucky. Trust me, it's not just a funny name, it's an awesome destination. First up, if you're into hiking, you'll definitely want to explore the Big Bone Creek Trail. You'll discover salt springs and who knows what else along the way. And if you love wildlife, you're in luck. This park is teeming with all sorts of critters. Now let's talk bison. Yes, you heard me right, bison. This park is home to one of North America's largest land mammals. You can visit the bison herd, take photos, and even brush up on your knowledge at their educational center. 9. Carter Cave State Resort Park. Are you ready to discover a hidden underground world? Look no further than Carter Cave State Resort Park in northeastern Kentucky. This place is a must-visit for anyone who loves exploring caves and marveling at the incredible formations it took millions of years to create. Above ground, there are plenty of activities to enjoy too. Whether you're a hiking enthusiast or just looking for a refreshing stroll, the park offers a variety of trails that will take you to natural bridges, arches, caves, sinkholes, cliffs, and even a boxed canyon. And if you're feeling extra adventurous, head underground to explore 20 winding caverns and witness a 30-foot underground waterfall, along with many more jaw-dropping sights. 8. Cumberland Falls State Park. Are you ready to discover one of the most jaw-dropping state parks in the beautiful state of Kentucky? I've got just the spot for you, Cumberland Falls State Park. Trust me folks, this park is an absolute haven for hikers. With 17 miles of trails that sneak through the forest, leading to some of the most picturesque spots in the area, you'll feel like you're in paradise. This park has tons of activities and amenities to keep you entertained all day long. Take a gander at the majestic Cumberland Falls, explore the Pinnacle Knob 1937 fire tower on a tour, go horseback riding through the forest, or even gem mine for fossils. And if you're not in the mood for hiking or exploring, don't worry, there are plenty of other options. You can spend your day swimming, picnicking, fishing, or birding, all in the midst of an awe-inspiring natural backdrop. 7. EP Tom Sawyer State Park. Next up, we have EP Tom Sawyer State Park. This 554-acre oasis, located on the outskirts of Louisville, has everything you need for an awesome state park experience. Once farmland, this park is now filled with lush fields and rolling hills that offer some of the finest indoor and outdoor recreation facilities in the state. And boy, are there plenty of activities to enjoy here. Take a dip in the largest public outdoor swimming pool and splash park in Louisville, hike along the shaded Goose Creek Nature Trail, test your skills at the only outdoor public archery range in Louisville, ride one of 6 Supercross BMX tracks in the nation, or join an interpreter for a guided hike or educational program. 6. Fort Boonesborough State Park. For all you history buffs out there, this one's for you. If you're looking for a park that's packed with history, Fort Boonesborough State Park is a place to go. This park, located in the Richmond area of Kentucky, is where Daniel Boone and his men established the state's second settlement. Pretty cool, right? Now, the fort has been reconstructed to give visitors a working site experience complete with cabins, blockhouses, and furnishings that you can explore. You can also witness 18th century life skills and period craft demonstrations that will bring history to life even more vividly. Plus, new archaeological findings have added even more information that you can read about on the original fort's interpretive signage. If you're planning to stay overnight, Fort Boonesborough has a wildly popular RV and tent campground. You can also go boating in the park's palisades, take a dip in the park's swimming area, go birding, hike, fish, and visit the museum. 5. Green River Lake State Park. Looking for something more peaceful? Well, look no further than Green River Lake State Park. This 1,331-acre park is located in Campbellsville and offers a plethora of activities for all types of nature lovers. With 8,200 acres of lake to explore and 28 miles of hiking trails to wander, there's something for everyone here. If you're a fan of fishing and boating, then you're in luck. You can rent out a boat at the marina or bring your own along. And let me tell you, this pristine lake is full of bass, bluegill, catfish, and crappie. If you want to take a break from the water, there's an 18-hole miniature golf course and plenty of picturesque picnic areas throughout the park. Feeling adventurous? Go horseback riding on the trails or take a drive through the park to look at all the wildlife. Green River Lake State Park offers 167 RV sites and 60 primitive sites. Just make sure to book early. With so much to explore, you won't want to leave this natural paradise. 4. Kingdom Come State Park. Looking for a natural escape that will take your breath away? Look no further than Kingdom Come State Park. This stunning park is nestled in the crest of Pine Mountain near Cumberland, Kentucky, and boasts some of the most extraordinary rock formations in the state. With an elevation of 2,700 feet, Kingdom Come State Park offers breathtaking views from its 8 overlooks. And the park's 1,283 acres are named after the Kentucky author John Fox Jr.'s novel, The Little Shepherd of Kingdom Come. But it's not just the views that make this park so special. Log Rock is a natural sandstone bridge that will leave you in awe, and Raven Rock soars 290 feet into the air at a 45-degree angle. And when it comes to activities, there's plenty to do here. Hiking, biking, fishing, camping, and even pedal boating are all on the menu. 3. Natural Bridge State Resort Park. Are you ready for a state park experience like no other? Then you need to check out Natural Bridge State Resort Park in Slade. This park is the perfect place to take in some of the most stunning natural scenery in the state. From hiking trails to delicious dining options, this park has it all. With 10 miles of hiking trails, ranging from 1/2 mile to 7½ miles, there's something for everyone. And for those looking for an adventure, why not ride the Skylift and explore the Red River Gorge area or tour Natural Bridge Cave? But the fun doesn't stop there. You can even reserve a private cottage or lodge room to view fall foliage. And if you're feeling hungry, be sure to check out the Sandstone Arches restaurant. Trust us, your taste buds will thank you. 2. NOLIN Lake State Park. Coming in next is NOLIN Lake State Park. Located in Edmonson County, it's the perfect spot for anyone who loves fishing, hiking, biking, or just lounging by the lake. And let me tell you, this lake is stunning. It was created back in 1963 when the NOLIN River was impounded, and it covers a whopping 5,795 acres. That's a lot of space for you to play around in. But what exactly can you do at NOLIN Lake? Well, pretty much anything you can think of. You can go birding, boating, fishing, hiking, and even swimming. With 32 campsites that have water and electricity hookups and 27 primitive campsites, it's easy to find the perfect spot for you. And if you're not into camping, no worries. There's a public beach and shower available too. 1. PENNYRILE Forest State Resort. Finally, we have PENNYRILE Forest State Resort Park in Dawson Springs. This place has it all, from bird watching and basketball to fishing and horseback riding, all with a stunning backdrop of lake views that will take your breath away. And when it comes to accommodations, PENNYRILE has got you covered. With a 24-room stone lodge and 13 cozy cottages, some even with private docks, you'll feel right at home. Now let's talk about activities. PENNYRILE Forest State Resort Park has something for everyone. If you love the water, explore the lake by canoe or kayak, or head over to Fisherman's Rock for some fishing. And for those hot summer days, take the family for a swim at the sandy beach. And if hiking is more your speed, take one of 3 trails: Lake Trail, Clifty Creek Trail, or Indian Bluff Trail. We hope this video has inspired you to get outside and explore the natural beauty of the Bluegrass State. Whether you're a Kentuckian or just passing through, there's something for everyone to enjoy. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting videos about travel and outdoor adventures.